I want to do a comparison video of these two sunscreens. I live in the South, and as you see, I have fair skin, so I play a lot of golf, and I live 45 minutes from the beach, so we go to the beach a lot, so I'm in the sun a lot each day. But this is banana boat spray. This is a Neutrogena. It's a stick. You see here. You could use either one, but I actually use both of them. But the Neutrogena Beach Defense, I'll just it's 50 plus SPF. It's good for water resistance up to 80 minutes. But if I'm just out in the sun or something, 80 minutes is plenty enough. But if I'm on the beach where I'm out constantly going in and out the water where the waves crashing, I usually put it on a little bit sooner than that. Probably every 30 minutes I'll put it on. But this here, I usually just put this on my face. You'll just rub it in. I usually just smooth it out. It's really good for young kids too. You can put it on their shoulders or arms or however, but I usually just put it on my face. But it works really good. Like I said, this is Neutrogena Beach Defense, and this is banana boat sport spray. It's also a 50 SPF, but it's water resistant up to water resist and sweat resist up to 80 minutes. And I put this one I use this one when I play in golf, mostly on my arms and my legs a little bit. I don't usually spray this on my face because I sweat a lot and I don't want this running in my eyes. This here usually stays a little bit better where the sweat don't affect it quite as bad. But I definitely use this on my like I'm saying, my back of my neck, my ears. I'll spray this on here. Up under my neck, I'll use it on there, but on my face, I'll use the Neutrogena. But this works really good. Also good for kids too. So if you're looking for a couple good sunscreen to have, grab both of these and throw them in your bag, and you can you may like one more than the other. For me, it's probably 50-50. I prefer this on my face, this on my neck, ears, arms, and both of them work really good. But if you're in the South like I am, where like the day is, I'm outside right now on the screen porch. It's not too bad here, but it's out in the sun right now. I think it's supposed to be up to like 95 today, with the heat index about 105. So that's kind of rough when you're on the golf course with no in the fairways with no trees or anything. So I always try to keep some on because I don't want to get burned up and have any kind of skin issues when I'm older, skin cancer or anything like that. So but if you're looking for some good one, like I said, check this banana boat sport out with this Neutrogena Beach Defense. Both of them 50 SPF. Check them out.